Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP Tables. So tables can be defined independent of the database in ABAP dictionary. So when a table is activated in ABAP dictionary, similar copy of its fields is created in the database as well. And the tables defined in ABAP dictionary are translated automatically into the format that is compatible with the database, because the definition of the table depends on the database used by the SAP system. A table can contain one or more fields, each defined with its data type and length. And the large amount of data stored in a table is distributed among the several fields defined in the table. So types of table fields. So a table consists of many fields and each field contains many elements. So the different elements of table fields. First, a field name. This is the name given to a field that can contain a maximum of 16 characters, and the field name may be composed of digits, letters and underscore. It must begin with a letter. Key flag determines whether or not field belongs to a key field. Field type assigns a data type to a field. Field length, the number of characters that can be entered in a field. Decimal places defines the number of digits permissible after the decimal point, and this element is used only for numeric data types. Short text describes the meaning of the corresponding field. Creating tables in ABAP dictionary. Go to transaction SC11. Select the database table radio button and enter a name for the table to be created. And in our case, we have entered Z customers 1. Click the create button and the dictionary maintain table screen appears. Here the delivery and maintenance tab is selected by default. Enter an explanatory short text in short description field. Click the search help icon beside the delivery class field. Applicable table master and transaction data option. Select the display maintenance allowed option from the data browser table view maintenance drop down menu. The dictionary maintenance table screen appears. Step 5. Select the fields tab. Screen containing the options related to the field tab appears. Step 6. Enter the names of table fields in the field column. A field may contain letters, digits and underscore, but it must always begin with a letter and must not be longer than 16 characters. The fields that are to be created must also have data elements, because they take the attributes such as data type, length, decimal places and short text from the defined data element. Step 7. Select the key column. If you want the field to be a part of the table key, let's create tables such as client, customer name and title and DOB. The first field is an important one and it identifies the client, which records are associated with enter client as the field and main DT as the data element. The system automatically fills in the data type, length, decimals and short description. The client field is made a key field by checking the key box. The next field is customer. Check the box to make it a key field and enter new data element is at custom. Click the save button. As the data element is at custom doesn't yet exist, it has to be created. Double click the new data element and the create data element window appears. Then answer yes to this and a maintain data element window appears. Enter customer number in the short description area. Elementary data type called to domain should be defined for the data element. So enter reset D1, double click it and agree to save the changes mode. And choose yes to create the domain and type into short description box description of the domain. The definition tab opens automatically. The first field is data type. Then click inside the box and select NUMC type from the drop down menu. Enter the number 8 in the number of characters field. The maximum of 8 characters, enter 0 in decimal place, and the output length of 8 must be selected and then press enter. An UMC field's description must be reappear, confirming that this is a valid entry. Click the Save button and activate the object. Press F3 to return to the maintain change data element screen and create 4 fields. Save and activate the element. Press the back button to return to the table maintenance screen. Customer column has the correct data type length, decimal places and short description. This indicates the successful creation of a data element, also the domain used. Similarly, we need to create 3 additional fields such as name, title and DOB. Select technical settings from the toolbar. Choose APPL0 for the data class and the first size category 0 for size category field. In case of buffering option, buffering not allowed has to be selected. Click Save, go back to the table and activate it. Table is set, customers 1 is activated. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP Tables. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.